Hi guys, Derek here. So my latest project has been the Blood Moon. This is being printed out of glow in the dark PLA for the actual moon part itself, and I've got crystal red here which is for the stand, indicating it's like a blood splatter, so it looks like it's coming out of the moon. Okay, so printed the moon with a 225 on the nozzle, 50 on the bed, and it was the same with the blood part as well. It was 225 on the nozzle, 50 on the bed. I normally find I can get fairly good results out of that. Inside here I've got some UV LEDs inside to a switched power, which I've done. This charges up the glow in the dark filament, so if I turn it off you'll see it's green, got a green glow, and then that stays for what, you know, until whenever. I haven't really played around with it, but yeah, so that works fine. That was a fairly long print. The moon itself was about 16 hours. The stand itself was about 3 hours, both done at 0.2 layer height. As you can see, it's a fair size, the moon itself, and the stand, it works out quite nicely. This is only a quick video. I just wanted to say also I've reached 1,000 subs. A lot of hard work and determination got me to 1,000 subs, but thank you to everyone who has subscribed. I do have a competition which I am happy to announce with 3D Printz Ltd. They are offering 2 rolls of their PLA, which I've done this from as well, and I've also done the Thanos bust, which you saw in one of my previous videos. The winner can be, it's actually worldwide to everyone, so whoever wins I will contact and get you all the information that you need. Now, for the competition, the links will be in below, down below. It's a Gleem competition, so majority of it is make sure you're sub to me, make sure you go and visit them and follow them if you can on Twitter. Other than that, that is all you need to do to enter the competition. So open worldwide, so that's worldwide. Anyway, just wanted to say thank you very much, and yeah, I'm hoping to get a lot more content out, do a few more live streams, and as much as I can I will try and get some more videos out reference to the Cosol Delta. Now that it's mine, I will be sorting, I'll be modifying that as much as I can, making it a lot bigger, a lot taller, and we'll see where it goes from there. But once again, thank you so much for the subs. It's still growing. Hopefully the competition will throw it a little bit further as well, and yeah, thank you very much. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share my video as well. It's open to everyone, obviously, who subs to me, and there's also other links below to support the channel. You can buy me a coffee. There's a wish list on there. If you want to help out, you're very welcome to. And also there's a Patreon account which I've got up. I've got 3 patrons at the moment. You know who you are. Thank you very much. They would have known about the Blood Moon previous to this video. A longer time ago they would have known about this. But that's the benefit of being a patron. You guys will get to know when I'm live streaming, when I am putting out a new project, and also access to files which I have, and also better communication from me if needed. Anyway, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, share my videos, and once again, be yourselves. Alright, thank you very much. Bye.